Welcome to Mrs. Bays' 6th grade math video lesson. We're going to look at multiplication of whole numbers. This is worksheet number 3 digits by 2 digits. Please do not use a calculator. You can use your multiplication chart if you need to. Let's begin by reviewing our vocabulary. With multiplication, we have factor and product. So if I look at this problem, 213 times 32 equals 6,816. Which of these are factors? Well, 213 is a factor and 32 is a factor. The answer to multiplication is product. So our answer is 6,816. Let's look at an example using the standard algorithm. We have 213 times 32 written horizontally. Let's look at how do we write it vertically. So we look for the number with the most digits. That would be 213. Let's write that first. Now we're going to bring the 32 below it. So the 2 is going to line up under the 3. This is ones place. And this 3 will line up under the 1 for tens place. And now let's multiply. We start with the 2 in ones place. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. Now I've taken this 2 in ones place and multiplied it by every digit in that first number. So I'm finished with multiplying with 2. So I'm going to mark it out so I don't get confused, and I'm going to drop a 0 here to hold its place. Now let's move up to the 3 in tens place. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. And now let's add these 2 rows of numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 9 is 11. So I'm going to have to carry a 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 3 more is 8. And 6 we just need to bring down. So our answer is 6,816. Let's look at another method for solving this multiplication problem. 213 times 32. This is the box method. Let's start with the first number and think about how we say it correctly. 213. But we need to take the 13 and break it down. So 1 is in tens place, so that is 10. And the 3 is in ones place. So 10 plus 3 makes that 13. This number will go on the top of the box in the first column. 10 goes in the middle. And we are adding these numbers together. And the 3 goes above the last column. Now let's look at 32. Again, let's pay attention to how it's said properly. 32, so plus 2. The 30 we're going to put on the left. And 2 for the second row. Now let's begin. I recommend we always start with the top. So let's write 200 times 30. Now let's look at the next one. This is 10 times 30. And last is 3 times 30. Let's go to 200 times 2. It's the top number, 10 times the left number, which is now 2. And one more time, 3 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. But notice we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So let's just include those 3 zeros. This is our shortcut for multiplying by tens. 1 times 3 is 3. But notice we have 1, 2 zeros. So we will add them here. Next we have 3 times 3 is 9. But notice only 1 0. Next row, 2 times 2 is 4. And notice 2 zeros. 1 times 2 is 2. And notice only 1 0. And 3 times 2 is 6. Now we're going to take these answers and add them together. So let's start with 6,000. And I'm going to go down this time and put 400, making sure that I line it up properly by the ones. Next, I'm going to write 300 from my second column. And then 20, again, making sure I line up by the ones column. Third column, 90. And now 6. Be very careful and line these numbers up properly. That will help you avoid mistakes. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. Plus 9 is 11. So I'm going to carry a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 4 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. And we have 6 that we will bring down. So our answer is 6,816. Now let's look at the worksheet that I would like for you to practice. This is multiplication of whole numbers number 3, 3 digits by 2 digits. I would like for you to rewrite each problem in vertical form. Please do not use a calculator, but you may use your personal whiteboard and multiplication chart. Please go to Google Classroom, find this worksheet. It will link you to Edulastic, and that is where you will input your answers to see if you have them right or wrong. Thank you.